Hi there, this is Zaheer Ahmed, and in this video we will learn how to make futuristic pattern with gradients and 3D effects in Adobe Illustrator. So I'm deleting the all things like this, and here we are three different colors and one gradient. So these are the colors codes that you can use in your design, and this is the gradient. So first thing we need to do, just make some lines that are the guidelines. So if you don't see, so right click on it and show the guides. So I'm creating here, so I wanna unlock the hide guides and deleting this one, just like this, and right click on it again and lock guides. Now it will not move around with your subjects. So first thing we need to do, just make this polygonal, just click on in this center, just like this, and choose the radius like same, and choose sides also 3. So you can increase the size by press shift alt and increase the size just like this. So increase the outlines. Now I wanna make here the one triangle to make 3 perspectives. First of all, we need make an line. Just click on this and just stop here in the center. Now leave it the pen with pressing escape and simply go to this width tool and increase the width of this design just like this. So once we increase it, so just copy it by pressing Ctrl C, Ctrl F to paste front, and just simple click this rotate tool and just click on here and move just like this. Now again Ctrl C, Ctrl F, and again move it just like this. Now we are created. Now simply select the all and just go to object and expand appearance. Now here we are, simple select all and choose the shaper builder tool and just click on it just like this and make this shape combine just like this. Now here we are, the 4 part of our design. So this is one part, second, third, and the fourth. Fill the colors like this. Select this one and simply press I to choose color picker tool and just click on it and it will fill the colors. Now simply press I and then choose. Now again choose this one and I and choose. Now here we are, we fill our major color. Now we wanna fill in this section the gradient. Now press I to fill the gradient just like this and simply change the gradient design. So we will change it to linear to gradient. So just click on it and choose simple G to adjust your gradient just like this. Zoom it a little bit and make sure it is the center. Now make it even narrower just like this, and this is one piece of design is ready. Now select the all and press Ctrl G to make a group of it. Now decrease the size, how much you wanna bigger the piece of your design. Now make a copy of this by pressing Alt and drag it right. Now just rotate it just like this. Now swap the color sides. Now this color I wanna here and this color is here. Now I just double click on it and single click on it and simply choose the color. So I wanna this color here, this is the 23234. So simple press I to choose color picker and simply choose another one and choose this color. Now press escape and adjust the position just like. Now once you're happy, just click OK and then choose the both of them and make a group by pressing Ctrl J. And now I wanna create the pattern of. Now simply go to object, repeat, and then grid repeat. Now zoom it a little bit and by choosing this point to move it vertically, by choosing this one, move it horizontal, just like this. You can even fill the gap. Now you can even increase the size of this pattern by holding this point to move it low, and this one to move it the vertical. And there we are. So here we are, just right click on it and hide the guides, and there we are, we have a beautiful futuristic pattern. So that's all for this video. Please make sure to like and subscribe our YouTube channel and share the video with your friends. They are beginner in graphic design. So thanks for your time. See you in the next one. Stay tuned. Allah Hafiz.